Shadows can't hold me now. I've been through the fire, came out untouchable. I'm untouchable, rising from the pain. Tried to bring me down, but I'm standing in the rain. Every scar I got, yeah, made me who I am. Now I'm bulletproof, you'll never understand. I'm untouchable, higher than the fear. Voices in my head, but I never let them steer. From the ashes I came, now I'm burning, unstoppable. Look at me now, yeah, I'm untouchable. Yeah, they tried to box me in, label me impossible. Product of a broken road, pain was my obstacle. Every step I took felt the weight like a boulder. World on my back, but I only got colder. Heart turned stone, yeah, I learned not to trust. Every smile I seen turned to dust in the gust of a storm. I was born in, torn and reborn in. Battle scars deeper than the cuts I was worn in. I don't bend, I don't break, I evolve with the pressure. Turn the loss to a lesson. Every line of confession got a mind full of chaos, but I channel the rage. Now I'm writing my freedom. Every line on the page they said give up, I said watch me ascend. Now I'm standing on the edge, but I'm ready again. If you aiming for the throne, better come with it proper. Cause I built this empire from the